Hello students, today I will give you a vivid information about the AIDS. Okay, the full form of the AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Okay, the full form of the AIDS, again I am repeating, it is the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is the deficiency of the immune system. That means the person who is affected by the help of the AIDS, that time what will happen? The person are totally lacking their immune system. Okay, they are losing their capability to fight against any kind of diseases. The AIDS is whose causative agent is HIV. HIV means human immunodeficiency virus. Okay, and it is a member of the retrovirus. Now the AIDS have the four kind of transmission mode. Okay, one is the sexual contact, another is the sharing infected needles. Okay, another thing is the transfusion of the contaminated blood and the blood products, and the fourth point is infected mother to the child through placenta. These are the four mode of transmission. Okay, now the retrovirus is an envelope enclosing the RNA genome. Now today I will show you the full mechanism. See, here is the retrovirus. Okay, and the retrovirus and this outside coat is known as the viral protein coat. This viral protein coat, generally what does it do? The viral protein coat are generally infects the normal cell. When it is infecting the normal cell, that time after getting into the body, the virus enters into the macrophages. Okay, where the RNA genome of the virus replicate into the viral DNA with the help of the enzyme reverse transcriptase. Okay, this reverse transcriptase generally change the viral RNA into the DNA, and it is occurring into the cytoplasm. And see, when the viral RNA are getting here, that time what happen? It is joining or taking up the plasma membrane. Without the plasma membrane, the viral RNA will not have the capacity to create any kind of disease. Okay, so plasma membrane, the requirement of the plasma membrane is very urgent for the viral RNA core, so that they can execute their activity. Now the viral RNA is introduced into the cell. When it is introduced into the cell, that time what happens? This viral RNA are changing into the viral DNA by the help of the enzyme called reverse transcriptase. Okay, when it is changing its enzyme, when it's changing into its genome into the DNA by the help of the reverse transcriptase, that time the viral DNA get incorporated into the host genome. See, here it is incorporating with the host genome. Here it is the DNA of the host is present, and the viral DNA are generally integrate and creates a new type of DNA, that is the infected one in the nucleus. Okay. Now what happened? This macrophage generally continue to produce this virus. See, the new viruses are produced here continuously. So the progeny virus released in the blood attack the Th lymphocyte. What is the Th lymphocytes? That is the helper T lymphocytes. Okay, and it is a continuous process and suffers from fever, diarrhea and weight loss. Okay, these are the symptoms, basic symptoms: fever, diarrhea and weight loss of the viral DNA symptoms. Okay, and what are the diagnostic tests? The diagnostic test is the ELISA. And another thing is that the antiviral drugs are also used, but this kind of, that is the AIDS, is not curable in nature. So you have to take preventionary or the precautionary steps so that the AIDS can be prevented. Now what are those precautionary steps for which the AIDS can be prevented? One is that the organizations known as the NACO generally educate the people by the help of the campaign. Okay, This social campaign educate the people that how the AIDS can be eliminated from the community. Another thing is that making the blood safe in the blood bank, okay, using the disposable needles and syringe in the hospital, free distribution of the condoms, for advocating the safe sex, okay, control the drug abusement, and regular checkup. Regular checkup is very important, so that the viral DNA or this kind of diseases can be eliminated. Okay, and this diagram you have to learn very emergency, so that you can explain the AIDS mechanism perfectly.